in today's video we are looking at mathematics for 2019 GCE paper 1, and we'll be looking at from question 1. We'll be answering from question 1 to 4. So without wasting much of the time, let's get started. Question 1, it was like simplify. So we have to simplify this one. 4 minus 2, open bracket, then b minus a, then minus 1. The question said we have to simplify this. So for solution, it goes like this one. For solution, so it will be 4, then minus 2 times b, we're going to have minus 2b, minus 2 times minus a, we are going to have positive 2a, then here this it will be minus 1, okay, in which we are going to collect the like term. So it will be 4 minus 1 minus 2b plus 2a, okay, in which 4 minus 1 it is 3 minus 2b plus 2a. So now this is our answer for the first question, okay. Now let's move on to question 2, which says we have to evaluate, okay. We have to evaluate this one. When evaluating this one, what you have to do, let me just create a space here. This is for question 2, okay. So we have to evaluate 81 bracket then power 3. So here what they're asking, it is the fourth roots of 81, and the first roots of 81, it is when you do, it is 3, it is 3, which is 3 power 4, which it will be equals to 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, okay, 3 times 3, 9, times 3, 27, times 3, which is 81. So that means at the fourth roots of 81, it is 3, okay. So the fourth roots of 81, it is 3. Then you take this power which we have here cubed. You take this cubed, in which it will be power 3, which it will be equals to 3 to the power 3, it is same as 3 times 3 times 3, which it will be equals to 3 times 3, 9 times 3, 27. So this is our final answer for question 2, okay. Let's try to create a space here. So we move on to question 3, which says factorize completely. We have 32x squared minus 50, okay. Then here we're also going to create a space, which is we're looking at question number 3, okay. So here, when you are taught to factorize completely, so let's write down the question. So that's 2x squared minus 50, okay. So here what you have to look, first we have to look for a number which can go into 32 and 50 without leaving any remainder, and secondly we go to our variables. Here we have a variable, here we don't have. So what is common? It is only the numbers which can go into the 32 and the 50, okay, in which 2 into 32, it is So 2 it is common, okay. 2 into 32 it is 16x squared minus 2 into 50 it is 25, okay, which it will be equals to, it will be 25. Then here we're going to say open bracket, let me say open square bracket 2, then open bracket. Then here we have to look the difference of two squares in for 16 and 25, in which it will be 4x minus 5, then open bracket 4x plus 5, okay, close bracket, then close square bracket, okay. And now we have factorized completely, okay, because 4 times this one it is 16x squared minus 5 times 5, we are going to have minus 25, okay. So this is our answer for question 3, okay. This is our answer for question 3. 2 open brackets 4x minus 5, the factor, the square root of 16 it is 4, and the square root of 25 it is 5, okay. Then let's move on to question 4 now. Question 4, we are told to find the gradient of this point, minus 5, 3, minus 4, 3, okay. In here we are told to find the gradient of this point, okay. So the most common important thing, you have to mark these numbers, which is the first number, it is represented by x, so it will be x1. The second, it is y, okay, y1. Then this one, it will be x2, y2, okay. Then the formula for the gradient, it is m equals y2 minus y1, okay. Then divided by x2 minus x1. So the gradient it will be equals to y2, we have 3 minus or here made a mistake, there was a 1, it is 1 here, so y2 it is 1, it is 1, then minus y1 we have 3, okay. Then divided by x2 we have minus 4 minus open bracket x1 we have minus 5. So the gradient it will be equals to 1 minus 3, it is minus 2 over, so let me create a space here, m to be equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, okay. So y2 we have 1 minus y1 we have 3, then over x2 we have minus 4 minus open bracket minus x1 we have minus 5, okay, in which it will be minus 1 minus 3 we have minus 2 over minus 4 minus open bracket, then here it will be minus times minus, which is positive, so it will be minus 4 plus 5, in which it will be minus 2 over minus 4 plus 5 will be 1. Then here 1 into minus 2, we are going to 2. So this is our gradient for these 2 points here. Okay, thank you for watching, and don't forget subscribe and turn on the notification bell so the next time you may see the new updates.